Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're making Cedar-Smoked salmon with Sandefjord sauce on the Memphis Pro Kart ITC3. So the first thing that we want to do is start preparing the Sandefjord sauce. So here's how we do that. We're going to start by placing 1 cup of really good mayonnaise in a bowl. Then you want to add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. We're going to finely chop some fresh dill, about 2 tablespoons, and add to the bowl. You also want to half a lemon and add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Then you want to add a teaspoon of your favorite seafood rub. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And we also want to add 1 tablespoon of cognac. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of capers that we drained and finely chopped. And we also want to add 2 tablespoons each of whitefish roe and salmon roe. We're gonna finely chop some fresh chives, about 2 tablespoons, and add to the bowl as well. Then we wanna season with salt and pepper to taste. You wanna stir this and set aside. The Sandefjord sauce is now ready, so it's time to light up the Memphis Wood Fire Grill. We're gonna start up the Memphis grill and we're gonna set it to 350 degrees, and we're using pecan pellets. The grill is now sitting at 350 degrees, so now it's time to start preparing and smoking the salmon. We want to take a cedar wood plank and we want to soak it in water for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove from the pan and wipe off excess water. We have a beautiful salmon fillet that we want to trim so it sits well on the cedar plank. Then we want to season it with a rub with a lot of herbs. We're using our Big Sweet Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. Then we're going to add a stick of butter that we finely sliced on top of the salmon. And then it's time to place the salmon fillet with a cedar plank in the Memphis grill. We're going to smoke this for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to finely slice 1 lemon and add the lemon slices on top of the salmon. We're also going to add a couple of more slices of butter on top of the lemon. Now we're going to cook the salmon fillet until it reaches an inner temperature of 145 degrees. And when it does that, it is ready to serve with the Sandefjord sauce. And that is how I make my Cedar-Smoked salmon with Sandefjord sauce on the Memphis Pro Kart ITC3. If you want to know more about Memphis Grill, check out their website, memphisgrills.com. And I think the only thing left to do now is to try this salmon and see what it tastes like. So let's put a little bit of that Sandefjord sauce on it, and here we go. That is so rich, that is so flavorful. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.